Every day, police departments must execute dozens of legal summons and warrants. But manual processes slow down compliance, cause loss of accountability, and leave no room for visibility. The superintendent of police knew this couldn't continue. Officers were overloaded, legal timelines were slipping. The superintendent of police initiated a full digital transformation from the ground up.
यह डेमो हाजिर हो एप्लीकेशन का है जो समन और वारंट की डिजिटल प्रोसेसिंग और निगरानी को सहज, तेज और पारदर्शी बनाता है। इस डेमो की शुरुआत हम समन और वारंट क्रिएशन से कर रहे हैं। होम स्क्रीन पर क्रिएट समन वारंट पर क्लिक करते ही एक फॉर्म खुलता है। यहाँ न्यायालय का नाम, प्रकरण संख्या, आरोपी और गवाह का मोबाइल नंबर तथा असाइन अधिकारी का नाम और मोबाइल नंबर दर्ज किए जाते हैं। जानकारी भरने के बाद फॉर्म सबमिट किया जाता है। जैसे ही समन या वारंट सेव होता है, 2 व्हाट्सएप संदेश स्वतः भेजे जाते हैं, एक आरोपी या गवाह को और दूसरा असाइन अधिकारी को। पहले संदेश में कोर्ट का नाम, पेशी की तारीख और दस्तावेज का प्रकार होता है। दूसरे संदेश में नाम, पता और कोर्ट अपीयरेंस की तारीख दी जाती है। अगर अधिकारी 3 बार या अधिक समन या वारंट तामील करने में असफल रहता है तो केस स्वतः एसडीपीओ को ट्रांसफर हो जाता है और आगे की कार्रवाई उनके अधीन होती है। एसडीपीओ लॉगिन करते ही उन्हें 3 या अधिक बार असफल केसों की पूरी सूची मिलती है। वह इन केसों की प्रगति को सीधे ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। डैशबोर्ड उपयोगकर्ता की भूमिका के अनुसार डेटा दिखाता है। इंस्पेक्टर को अपने थाने का, एसडीपीओ को अधीन सभी पुलिस स्टेशनों का और एसपी को पूरे जिले का समेकित डाटा दिखता है। डैशबोर्ड में समन, जमानती वारंट, गिरफ्तारी वारंट और स्थायी वारंट अलग अलग सेक्शनों में दिखते हैं। हर यूजर रिपोर्ट डाउनलोड कर सकता है, रिकॉर्ड या रिपोर्टिंग के लिए। प्रमुख प्रदर्शन संकेतक सेक्शन में हम देख सकते हैं कुल प्राप्त केस, लंबित केस, तामील स्टेटस, अदम तामील सक्सेस रेट, सत्यापित केसों की संख्या और एडम तामील के कारण। डेटा को थाना, समय अवधि, उपयोगकर्ता श्रेणी या न्यायालय श्रेणी के अनुसार फिल्टर करके डाउनलोड किया जा सकता है।
We built a fully web-based system tailored for district-level command. Features include digital issuance and officer assignment, status updates from the field, live dashboards for district-level monitoring, auto-generated compliance reports. It's simple, accessible, and structured around real-world law enforcement workflows. Within 3 months, the system went live. Officers adapted fast thanks to minimal training and intuitive design.
So basically, I am from the 2014 batch of the police service, and then I did my graduation from IIT Bombay, and then I was placed with a couple of companies. I was working with Flipkart for a while, and then I eventually decided to go for UPSC, and I got the police service, which I actually wanted. That's how it's been. Now it's been 10 years in policing since then. I was posted in GPM district, which is Gorela Pinda Marwai, and it was relatively a new unit. So one of the major challenges which I saw was that we were short of manpower, so we had lesser officers because it was a small unit, so there are a lot of vacancies, and the jobs which police officers are expected to do, they are multifarious. You have to detect crime, you have law and order, then you have ancillary responsibilities towards the court also. So how best we can enable so that given the use of technology, how we can do it in a more efficient way and which puts less pressure on our resources. No, I would say that it has been a very pleasing experience, the entire team, because as I understand my discussions with Mayank, that this was the first time they were doing a project with the police department,
right.
And but I felt that we could very easily, your team grasped very well the problem, the question that we were trying to address, the terminologies. I was rather surprised to see that in almost the second meeting, they knew that what Tamil means, what Adam Tamil means. That is the, the language we've been carrying on. So even the police terminology, I thought there will be some difficulty in grasping that. The tech part is one, but how the processes function. So there I saw a lot of maturity and also ease of understandability, and things moved very fast. Secondly, I think even the timelines, like the timelines we had decided in the initial few meetings, I think all of them were honored and kept. So that is something I would like to commend the team about. And thirdly, the reachability also. There was constant communication regarding what improvements we need, and there was lot of receptivity, and I could see that flexibility to sort of answer various challenges which we were encountering once the project was through. So, a 10 on 10 on the flexibility part as well.
This solution is now ready to deploy across other districts. If you're looking to modernize legal compliance in your region, we'd love to help. Looking to build a powerful product like this? Let's talk.